Ditch the Photoshop frustration because this AI tool cooks up click-worthy thumbnails faster than you can say content creation. First, navigate to the AI Thumbnail Generator's website. I've placed a link in the description below. Now, paste in your video title. The AI analyzes your title to understand the content. Select a category that best fits your video's theme: tutorials, vlogs, gaming, whatever it may be. Choose how you want your thumbnail to look, tailor the aesthetic to your brand and content. Then click Generate. The AI works its magic, creating multiple thumbnail options in seconds. Browse through the suggestions and pick your favorite. Notice how each one highlights key elements from your title. Tweak it, add text overlays, your brand's logo, or even adjust the colors to perfectly suit your style. Export your final thumbnail and upload it to your video. Get ready for higher click-through rates and more views. AI is transforming content creation. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.